Welcome to Woolbuddy, where art and quality come together to bring needle felting to life. Needle felting is the craft of shaping wool with a specialized barbed needle to form soft, sculpted creations that are both unique and full of character. Woolbuddy isn't just a brand. We're here to spark creativity and provide the tools, kits, and ornaments that help bring handmade artistry into your hands. Whether you're new to needle felting or a seasoned artist, our kits provide detailed instructions and a QR code that links to our video tutorials, guiding you through each step. We make learning the art of needle felting enjoyable and accessible. And to share our passion, we regularly conduct workshops and live tutorials, connecting with our community to guide and inspire in real time. At Woolbuddy, we believe creativity should be shared. Join us in this world of creativity and connection. Explore Woolbuddy's range of kits and discover the joy of needle felting. Together, let's turn wool into heartfelt art and bring creativity into everyday life.